Hey, what is going on, everybody? So I've noticed that a lot of people, when they get their Mark 7 new or pre-owned or whatever, they tend to ask what type of oil to use, and that's completely fine. There's no problem with that, because you know, if you don't know something, don't be afraid to ask. But what really baffles me is the 2 or 3 people that comment and without fail every single time end up arguing about which brand of oil is best to use because they took an oil class in college or something. So I'm here to really tell you which brand of oil is best for your Mark 7 Golf, TSI, GTI, S3, MQB, whatever. It doesn't matter. Thanks for watching, subscribe, thumbs up, and see ya. Okay, wait, I'm kidding. Let me explain a little bit. I would think the act of getting oil change is more important than what brand of oil you use. Like, if you're getting regular oil changes using Castrol, that's gonna help your car more than if you get a LiquiMoly oil change every blue moon or every February 31st. When I took delivery of my car, the salesperson told me I only need an oil change every 10,000 miles. Do not do that. Everybody has their own ritual and preference. I do mine every 5,000 miles, and I think that's a pretty decent general rule. I know some people do it every 3,000 miles as well. I don't have an oil drilling mine in my backyard, so I can't afford to do that. The manual recommends full synthetic 5W30 or 5W40, Volkswagen 502, 503, and 504 certified. 5.7 liters, 6 quarts. I've used Castrol 5W40, Motul 5W40, and now I'm on Mobile One 0W40. And have I noticed a difference using either of them? Not really, or if any at all. Have I had any engine problems? Also, nope. Had my car for 3 years now, 30k miles, and only 70k more to go. But yet, you still see people arguing about using LiquiMoly only, or else they're gonna kill themselves. And to that, I say just go ahead and drink it then. You see, I personally don't believe just because you use a more premium, more expensive oil that your car is gonna be a unicorn. If something was gonna happen, it's bound to happen either way, whether you're driving it or eating ass out the hatch. Unless you're tracking it or sending it at every red light. To most people that just drive to and from work, I think regular oil works just fine. Now, I mean, I'm not saying like go right now and pour all your LiquiMoly down the drain and don't ever buy it again. I mean, if it floats your boat, if it rocks your cock, if it sips your tip, then by all means go for it. But I don't think that would make you or your car that much better than the people that buy Castrol or Mobile One from Walmart. Like, I know people that have been using Mobile One since like forever now, and he's at like 120k miles. And someone else that uses Castrol, and he's at like 90k miles on his IS38 GTI, and they probably had less engine problems than you've had tire rotations. I mean, at the end of the day, the decision is entirely up to you. Like, I can't control that. But my point is, like, don't feel pressure to use more premium oil or more expensive oil just because everybody else uses it. It's not gonna make your car that much faster or better. Just get regular oil changes at regular intervals, and you should be gooch my gooch. And that's it for this video. I hope it has given the Mark 7 owners, the new and the old, some insight about oil, and catch you guys in the next one. See ya.